What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making vegan stuffed peppers. So if you are brand new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button. I really do appreciate it. And if you enjoy this recipe, please drop a like on this video. So this recipe is going to be for one stuffed pepper. If you're going to be making multiple, just multiply the amount of ingredients for however many peppers you're going to be making. Before we get started, as usual, you are going to want to wash all your vegetables thoroughly. There's nothing worse than having dirty vegetables, and to be quite frank, you might even get sick. So just make sure you wash all your vegetables thoroughly before you get started. We're going to take this green bell pepper, cut the top off of it. We are going to take the remaining inside of the pepper and sort of dump it out. So all the seeds and that little white part that is inside the bell pepper, remove that, dump it in the trash. You're going to use part of this top, just half of the top, and you're going to dice it down to roughly the size that you see here on the screen. One key thing to remember is we want to make sure we dice all our ingredients evenly so that they are all the same size. So we're going to be dicing up about a ½ ounce to 3/4 ounce of Portabella mushrooms. We're also going to be dicing up roughly 7 slices of canned water chestnuts, a sliver of onion, a sliver of tomato, 1/8 of a pound high protein tofu, and last but not least, half a lime. Make sure you get your pan nice and hot before you dump in your oil. We're going to start off by sauteing about a ½ tablespoon of minced garlic here. We're going to brown that. It should take no more than 20-25 seconds, and then you're going to add in some rice. Now, the rice that I'm using is day-old rice. It was in the fridge. It is going to fry up a little bit better than fresh rice. Additionally, we're going to be adding in a little bit of black pepper, and then you're just going to saute that for about 45 seconds to a minute until your rice is brown as so. Set your rice aside, go ahead and clean out your pan and place it back on the stove. Heat it back up and add your oil before you start cooking all the veg. The first thing we're going to want to cook off is our diced tofu. It is going to take the longest, so what you're going to want to do is add your tofu to your pan. For about 5 minutes, you're going to stir occasionally and brown all these sides. You want it to be a light brown before you start adding in all your veg because the vegetable is going to cook fairly quickly. Once you add in your vegetables, go ahead and lightly pepper it. You can also add in about ½ teaspoon of ground ginger, followed by ½ tablespoon of soy sauce, ½ teaspoon of white vinegar, and ½ teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Go ahead and give this a good mix and cook it for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes are up and you turn the heat off, you can go ahead and add in your rice to your mixture. Give it a good stir so that everything is even throughout. Lay out a piece of foil large enough to cover your entire pepper. We're going to be taking our garlic, lime rice, and veg that we sauteed and stuffing the pepper completely. Once you are done, you can wrap the pepper up and either put it in the fridge so that you can have it ready for baking later, or you can immediately put it in the oven and bake it and enjoy it now. To bake your peppers, simply preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, place the peppers on the center rack, and cook for 18 minutes. There you have it, folks. Vegan stuffed pepper with the garlic lime rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I hope you guys stay happy, stay healthy. Peace!